You so good. I got you. Do. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to walk you through the process on how we make shaving cream here at WSP. Here we offer two different sizes of shaving creams. We offer a 2 ounce, so that is great for traveling, and then we also offer a 7.4 ounce, which is great for your bathrooms or your shave dens. So today I'm going to simply walk you through the process on how we get our thick, creamy consistency with all natural products. Alright, I'm going to take you guys back and I'm going to show you guys the process. Here we will take out all of our ingredients, including our mixing bowls, our pots and our pans, our spatulas, as well as our mixer, and any other things that we may need. We also take out our scale in order to measure all the ingredients. Next, we start the two crucial phases in order to make shaving cream. Here you'll see the oil phase. And so next we will do the water phase. So here you will see the oil phase being heated up, as well as Corey mixing around the ingredients to make sure everything is equally distributed and getting equally heated. Next he would check the temperature just to make sure that the ingredients are cool enough to work with. He would then pour the oil phase into lye, which makes this kind of cool creation right there. And then he'll mix it around and make sure everything is equally distributed. Next, he will then pour the mixture into our mixing bowl and put it under the mixer. Here you'll see Corey mix the mixture for like 5 to 10 minutes. He will then use the spatula to get the shaving cream off of the walls of the bowl, make sure everything is getting mixed inside the bowl. After that, he'll put it back underneath the mixer and then add in the water phase. Adding the water kind of gives it more of that soapy look, as well as makes it more fluffy. So then he will then transfer over the shaving cream into a bowl and let it sit overnight. And then he would transfer it back over to the mixing bowl and then scoop it out into the containers. And then he'll smooth it out here so that way it has a flat lay in order for the tops to go on. Corey will then lid and label all of the containers. They are all ready to go. I hope you guys have enjoyed the process on how we make shaving cream here at WSP. Thank you for tuning in, and please stay tuned for more videos coming up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, as well as check out some of our other videos. Thank you guys.